Okay, guys, welcome to the Spark Academy channel. Today, in the series of learning Primavera P6 Professional latest edition 19, I'm going to show you how to make a work breakdown structure for your project, the WBS. So, right now, what you have to do, you have to open Primavera P6 Professional, and then you need to open any project. If you are going to make a new project, then you have to go to file menu and click on new. Then you have to select the EPS. If you wanted to know how to make a new project and how to make a calendar, you need to go and visit my other videos. Also, I showed you how to download and install free and legal copy of Primavera P6 latest version directly from the Oracle website. So if I'm going to make a new project, I need to go through these steps. On file, click file and new, then select next. You can write any ID for your project, anything you want it to like ABC, and then AB. ABC project. Click on next. Give any start date. Click on next. Select your responsible manager. Whatever it is, I am selecting enterprise. And next. Standard next, and then finish. Okay, congratulations, you have made your new project. And now right click on it and click on open project. Now you have opened your ABC project. In this video, what you need to learn is how to make a WBS. For this, you have to go to this icon at this two blue bars. Click on it and it will open another window of WBS. On your rightmost side, there is option of plus add. So then you have to click on it, and you can see WBS has been added, or one WBS. You can type any name, like maybe design, and then you can add it up more. If you want to make a WBS inside the WBS, then you have to click on this and then click on add. If you do not want to make a branch, then what you have to do is to click on it and click on move left, and then double click on it, and you can type anything like procurement. And if you want to add another WBS, then click on the ABC project and then click on add button, and then you have another WBS, and then double click on it and then give any name like execution. I think 3 WBS are enough. So go back to the activities window, and then you can see, oops, there's some problem because okay, you can see these 3 are the WBS: design, procurement, and execution. So that is how you can make a WBS. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel in order to know the latest videos on how to learn Primavera. Goodbye.